honest. Storms off and on again tomorrow. High today 92. I'm meteorologist Bob Nunley from Storm Team 4.
This report is sponsored by Safeguard Soap and Sanitizer. As we all find the new normal.
It's like going to a plane.
Oh, the radio. Yes.
Please make it 20,000. So I want a person next to me seated.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Community...
Suing on TV. Turn it up.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Watch you do it.
Shut up.
Okay, and action, go.
That was quite amazing. Let me see if they're doing it on any other stations.
My sister is I know. My sister is an extra foam, extra cup, extra straw. Like she wants the extra, and you're standing behind her like this, Jerry. You're just like, when is it gonna go? Because it's always adding on.
But you know what? Listen to your description, and then I'm only high maintenance at the movie theater.
Yeah, I think it already did it. Well, that was successful. Didn't do it on the phone for some reason. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. That was cool, to say the least. Yeah. Thanks for watching.